people. So, there is this show called Sex and Love Around the World, and it's basically the kind of show that you would watch if you want to know about the sex word in a very documentary style of word. As in, how do people perceive lovemaking in Tokyo, in Delhi, in Beirut, in Akara, someplace in Africa. So it's quite interesting, and these are slightly long. They are almost 40 minutes, 45 minutes long shows. So that's what it gives you a perspective, really. So try and catch it, people. It is a rather interesting show that you can watch once because it's very enlightening. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. This My video is only 1 minute long. I'm so happy.